Hi, this is Richard from RKA, and we have a new product from SENA that's totally cool. It's the SENA headset for the Harley Davidson. It's got the 7-pin DIN plugged right into here, and it's a standalone helmet with 40mm speakers, boom mic or full face mic, whatever you want to use. It allows you to use the whole system on your motorcycle. It's just like a regular cabled headset. But if you take off this module, you can put on the 20S and turn it on.
Hello.
And this will plug into the wired system on your bike, and now you can actually use all of the systems on the motorcycle, and you can talk to somebody with another 20S and have Bluetooth. So you can have the best of both worlds.